Edexcel C2, 2016, question 9. I remember this question when it was first out in 2016. Got a bit of a reputation, this one. It's got lots of terms, look. It's a diff modeling question, it's a sheep enclosure, and it's made up of a rectangle, a sector, and an equilateral triangle. And we're told all that in here, look. And we're told that the radius is x, so this is an x, and because this is equilateral, this is an x and that's an x, so this is 60 degrees or pi by 3, whichever you want to put in. And so this is 2 pi by 3s, and the first bit is to find in meters squared the exact area of FEA of this sector. So area is equal to half r squared theta equals x squared over 2 times 2 pi by 3, and the 2's cancel, and we've got pi x squared over 3. Part B. Show this. So given BC is y, the area is 1000. So area equals 1000, and that's equal to pi x squared over 3 plus 2x times y for the rectangle plus, so equilateral triangle has an area of half times AB, sine of angle between them, so half x squared sine pi by 3, sine pi by 3. But sine of 60 is root 3 over 2, so we can get rid of that, right, 3 over 2. And so this is pi x squared over 3 plus x squared times root 3 over 4 plus 2xy. And so when we make y the subject of this, y is equal to 1000, take away pi x squared over 3, take away root 3x squared over 4, all divided by 2x's, and when we simplify this we get that one. And how do we do that? Well, each term of these divides by 2x, so 1000 divided by 2x is 500 over x. Then we take away pi x squared divided by x, and divide by 3 and divide by 2 will be, so we've got pi x, divide 3 divided 2 is divide by 6, and then we've got an x squared divided by x to leave an x, so we've got to take away root 3 x's, divide by 4 divided by 2 is divide by 8, and so this, we've got a 24th as a common denominator, and we've got x as a common factor, so the next line is to go from there to there, and I'm going to let you do that by yourself. And part C, show that the perimeter is given by, so we know that the perimeter is equal to an x, well there's two of them, sorry, plus a y plus another y, plus that x on the triangle, plus the arc length, which is r theta. So r is x and theta is 2 pi by 3, so plus 2 pi x by 3, and that's equal to, so we've got an x there and another one, so that's 3 x's. So I've got x bracket 1, 2, 3 plus 2 pi by 3 plus 2 lots of 500 over x, take away, so we can sub in that expression there which they gave us here, so x over 24 times 4 pi plus 3 root 3, and when we double this and factorize the x's, so I'm going to finish off that down here, we've got x 3 plus 2 pi by 3 plus 1000 over x, take away x over 12, because we're going to double this part, bracket 4 pi plus 3 root 3, and I don't need that extra bracket there because I've done it. So if I make this bracket out of 12 as well by doing 12 times each one of those parts, then I've got a common factor. So P is equal to 1000 over x plus x over 12, and then all I've got to do is this bracket take away that bracket. So I've got 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 2 divided by 3 is 24 divided by 3, which is 8 pi. Take away the 4 pi, and then take away again 3 root 3, and the 8 pi, take away the 4 pi to leave plus 4 pi, and I've got the bit that they want in there. So that's the difficult 6 marks of this question. The easy bit is these 7 marks here. So part D. So we've got all the bits that we need there. In part D, we're going to find MinP. So at min dp by dx is equal to 0, means we've got to differentiate this thing. So let's make that x minus 1. So dp by dx is times by minus 1, which is a minus 1000. Take away 1 from the power. Times by the power is 1. So, and then reduce the power by 1. So we're going to do 1 times this fraction divided by 12. And then x to the power of 0 is this 1. So we've got a plus 4 pi plus 36. Take away 3 root 3. Divided by 12, and that's equal to 0, because at the minimum dp by dx is 0. So there's dp by dx, make it equal to 0. That means that this bit must equal that bit, and so 1000 plus 1000 by taking this bit over there and then rearranging it. X squared equals 4 pi plus 36 minus 3 root 3, which means x is the square root of 12,000 divided by 4 pi plus 36, take away 3 root 3's, OMG. And that's equal to 12 grand divided by 4 pi's plus 36, take away 3 root 3's, close bracket, after that bit, equals square root of 276.687, and that's equal to, so square root answer equals 16.63392808. So the min p is sub that into our p equation. So min p equals 1000 over 16.63 plus 16.63 divided by 12 times bracket, and the bracket's got those bits in, and that's equal to, so I'm going to do 1000 divided by answer, then I'm going to add answer bracket 36 plus my 4 pi's, take away 3 root 3's, and then divide by 12, and that's equal to 679.99, so 680, and that's meters squared. And part E, to justify by further differentiation that the value of p you found as a min, add a min dp by dx. When I differentiate it again, dt by dx squared is less than 0 for the x value that we found, yeah, which was the 16.6399. d2p by dx squared means that we've got to differentiate this thing that we had there. So this has not got any x's in it, so when we differentiate that bit, it's just going to go away. So differentiate this part, times by the minus 2 is 2000, reduce 1 from the power, becomes divided by x cubed, and that's equal to, at x equals 16.633 d2p by dx squared is equal to So 2 grand divided by 16.6339 cubed equals 0.43455, which is bigger than 0, therefore it's min. Sorry, I got that the wrong way around there. Min d2p by dx squared is bigger than 0. It is bigger than 0, therefore it's min. Done.